The following message is transmitted from the National Aeronautics and Space Station. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At 3:20 p.m. Central Time, an asteroid was spotted for collision course for Earth. There is no chance of stopping it. Hey wait, you can't be—
Who said I can't be here? It's me, your boy Switch.
But this a national emergency. This a life-threatening situation.
Hell up. No, it's a lie from the government. They just want our coins and green papers.
Wait, voice crack.
So this is just a lie just for the government to make people kill themselves and just get money?
Pretty much, yeah.
Bye, everybody. Alright boys, I just saved the world from the US. Alright boy. Mia Switch is leaving. Peace.
If you don't subscribe to Jesse's of Electrics' channel, then you're a weeb like Kyle.